Okay, so you know that feeling right when you're on YouTube and like you're trying to find that perfect video,
Uh-huh.
but the search bar is just not getting you there.
Yeah.
You're like tweaking keywords and you're just scrolling endlessly and you just feel like you're drowning in like a sea of just irrelevant content.
Totally.
We'll get ready for a change because we're diving into the world of Genova.
Right.
And how it's like revolutionizing the way that we search on YouTube.
So what's really exciting here
Yeah.
is that Genova is like the first one to actually launch an AI-powered YouTube search
Wow.
that understands natural language.
That's awesome.
So it's not just about keywords anymore. It's about searching the way that you actually think and speak.
This is what we're talking about, ditching those rigid keywords
Yeah.
and just asking YouTube what you want.
Uh-huh.
Almost like you're talking to a friend.
And this is where Genova is pulling ahead, even surpassing giants like ChatGPT and Perplexity. They might be great at text-based search, but Genova has cracked the code on searching through video content using natural language.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So instead of typing in a jumble of keywords like, funny cat videos compilation 2023, you can simply ask Genova, find me the funniest cat videos from this year.
Exactly.
That's so cool.
And this is where the magic of natural language processing, or NLP, comes in.
Right.
Essentially, Genova uses NLP to understand the meaning behind your words, not just the words themselves.
Okay.
It's about intent rather than just keywords.
So it's not just looking for videos that contain the words funny cat in 2023.
Right.
It's actually understanding that you are looking for a specific type of content that aligns with your request.
Precisely. And this opens up like a world of possibilities
Oh, wow.
for finding incredibly specific content.
So cool.
Imagine searching for live concert footage of my favorite band from their last tour,
That would be incredible.
or a tutorial on how to bake a specific type of cake. With Genova, these like incredibly detailed searches become a reality.
So it's not just limited to entertainment or niche interests.
Right?
Think about the implications for research education.
Yeah,
Even keeping up with current events.
absolutely.
I mean, this could be huge.
You could ask Genova to find me a documentary about the history of space exploration,
Wow.
or show me the latest news reports on a specific topic.
Oh my gosh.
It's about having instant access to a vast library of video content that's tailored to your exact needs.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So we've established that Genova uses natural language to search YouTube and that it's way more advanced than just keyword matching.
Right.
But like, what's going on behind the scenes? How does it actually work?
Well, the heart of Genova is this operating system aptly named Genova OS.
Okay.
Think of it as the brain behind the whole operation.
Okay, so what exactly does an operating system do in this context?
It's the engine that drives Genova's ability to understand your requests, analyze video content, and find the most relevant results.
Right.
And it's constantly learning and refining its understanding of what you're looking for based on your past searches and the way you interact with the platform.
So the more you use Genova, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and delivering the content you actually want to see.
That's right.
That's amazing.
And it's this learning and adaptation that sets Genova apart from traditional search engines.
Wow.
Yeah. It's really fascinating how Genova takes things like a step further by understanding the context of your search.
Oh,
It's not just about matching words, but about grasping the nuances of what you're truly looking for.
so it's not just about finding videos that contain certain keywords.
Right.
It's about understanding the intent behind the search and delivering results that truly align with what the user wants to find.
Precisely. Like, let's say you're searching for dance challenge videos. A traditional search engine would simply show you any video with those words in the title or description.
Right. Which could end up being a pretty random assortment of videos.
Exactly. But Genova would go deeper. It would analyze current trends, popular music, and even your past viewing history to pinpoint the dance challenge videos that are actually trending right now.
That's incredible. It's almost like Genova has a sense of what's relevant and engaging in real time.
It's about understanding the why behind your search, not just the what. And this ability to understand context is powered by some incredibly sophisticated AI, including models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5.
Now, I know we've touched upon these AI models before, but for those who aren't familiar, could you give us a quick rundown of what they are and how they play a role in Genova's capabilities?
Of course, these are some of the most advanced language models out there. They've been trained on massive amounts of data, allowing them to understand and generate human-like text with incredible accuracy.
So they're like the brains behind Genova's ability to process and understand language.
Exactly. They provide the foundation for Genova's natural language processing capabilities, enabling it to understand the nuances of human language and make connections that traditional search engines simply can't.
It's mind-boggling to think about the complexity of all this happening behind the scenes, yet the user experience is so simple and intuitive.
That's the beauty of it. Genova takes all of this complex AI technology and packages it into a user-friendly interface that anyone can use. It's like having a super-powered search assistant at your fingertips.
And this brings us to an important point, which is that Genova isn't just about search.
Yeah.
It's part of a larger ecosystem of AI-powered tools designed to make our lives easier and more efficient.
Absolutely. And one of the most exciting aspects of this ecosystem is its ability to connect with other apps and services. Remember the example from our sources about asking for beginner workout videos.
Yeah, and how Genova went beyond just finding videos and actually created a personalized weekly workout plan.
Exactly. It's this level of integration that truly sets Genova apart. It's not just a search engine. It's like a personal assistant that can help you with a wide range of tasks.
Speaking of personal assistants, it strikes me that using Genova is almost like having a conversation with an incredibly knowledgeable friend who also happens to have access to the entire YouTube library.
That's a great analogy, and just like a good friend, Genova is always there to help you find what you're looking for, whether it's something entertaining, educational, or just plain useful.
And it's constantly learning and evolving, just like any good friendship. The more you interact with it, the better it understands your needs and preferences.
It's a truly dynamic system that adapts to the individual user, creating a personalized experience that you simply won't find with traditional search engines.
And it's not just about making things easier. It's about unlocking a whole new level of engagement and discovery.
Imagine being able to say, find me a video that explains quantum physics in a way that even I can understand, or show me a travel vlog that captures the beauty of a specific place I've always wanted to visit.
It's about opening up a world of possibilities that were previously inaccessible to the average person.
It's about empowering people to learn, explore, and connect with information in ways that were never before possible.
So we've talked about the power of natural language search, the role of sophisticated AI models, and the integration with other apps and services. But what does this all mean for the average person? Why should you, the listener, care about all this?
Well, think about all the time you've wasted scrolling through endless search results, trying to find that one perfect video. Genova eliminates that frustration, giving you back valuable time and energy.
It's about making your online experience more enjoyable, efficient, and ultimately more fulfilling.
It's about having a tool that understands your needs, anticipates your interests, and helps you navigate the vast world of online video content with ease and precision.
And let's be honest, who wouldn't want a tool that could do all of that?
Yeah.
It really does feel like Genova is ushering in like a whole new era of online search.
Absolutely. It's not just an incremental improvement.
No.
It's a paradigm shift. Like, we're moving away from the limitations of keywords and entering a world where we can communicate with technology in a way that feels natural and intuitive.
And this shift has the potential to change so much more than just how we search for videos on YouTube.
That's right. Think about how this technology could be applied to other areas of our digital lives.
Okay.
Imagine searching your email inbox using natural language.
Wow.
Finding the exact document you need in like a vast cloud storage system.
That would be amazing.
Or even navigating a complex website with just your voice.
It's almost like the possibilities are endless.
Right.
Genova is giving us a glimpse into a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our lives, understanding our needs and helping us achieve our goals.
And it's doing it in a way that feels empowering rather than overwhelming.
Right.
Instead of being bombarded with information, we can now curate our digital experiences with precision and control.
We've talked a lot about the technical aspects of Genova, but I think it's important to step back and consider like the human impact of this technology.
I completely agree. At its core, Genova is about connecting people with information in a more meaningful way.
Yeah.
It's about breaking down barriers and making knowledge accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills.
It's about fostering curiosity, encouraging exploration, and ultimately empowering people to learn and grow.
And I think that's what makes Genova so exciting. It's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for human potential.
So for our listeners who are like eager to dive into this new world of AI-powered search, what would you recommend as like a first step?
I'd say the best way to understand the power of Genova is to experience it firsthand.
Okay.
Go to their website.
Right.
Try out the YouTube search feature and see for yourself how it transforms the way you find and interact with video content.
I think you'll be amazed at how intuitive and enjoyable the experience is. It's like having a conversation with YouTube, a conversation that actually understands what you're looking for and delivers results that are tailored to your specific needs.
And don't be afraid to get creative with your searches.
Right.
Ask Genova complex questions, explore niche interests, and see how it responds. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the true potential of this revolutionary technology.
And as you explore, remember that this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Genova is constantly evolving, learning, and expanding its capabilities.
So the journey of discovery is just getting started. Who knows what amazing new features and applications will emerge in the months and years to come.
It's an exciting time to be a part of this technological revolution, and we at the Deep Dive can't wait to see how Genova continues to shape the future of online search and beyond.
So to our listeners, we encourage you to embrace this new era of AI-powered search, explore, experiment, and discover the power of Genova for yourselves. You might just find that it changes the way you think about information, knowledge, and the possibilities of the digital world.
That wraps up our deep dive into the fascinating world of Genova and its revolutionary approach to YouTube search.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep.